Okay, hello guys. So, pang second day na ng school days. So, mag-bag raid tayo kasi bukas, Thursday, wala siyang pasok until Friday. So, it's rest day. So, check natin kung baka may assignments. Let's go. Bag raid tayo. So, ito yung school bag niya. So, check natin. Natin. Julia, walang mga sulat yung notebooks mo? Jules? Wala pang sulat yung mga notebooks mo? Wala pa, okay. So, natin yan. Dito tayo sa papers. Okay. Okay. Uy, may activity. Check natin. Check natin yung activity niya. Okay. Thank you for helping, Aya. What will you say? You're welcome. Okay. Wow! What's this? Wow, may perfect si Ate Jules. May perfect score siya. Oh, ayan. This is addition. Okay, addition. Then, wow! Multiplication. Subtraction. Ayan, subtraction perfect. Then, very good, very good, very good. Ayan, next, wala na. By the way, yung name ng teacher niya is Teacher Krisa P. Roldan. Ayan. NC SSC. Okay. Wow!